Air flow capacity 1099 cubic_feet_per_minute. Brand name GeneralAire. Color gray. EN 7131,405,414,918, 0683786070476. Item shape rectangular. Item weight 1.00 pounds. Material aluminum. Measurement system US. Model number 1099-20. Number of items 1. Operation mode evaporative. Part number 1099-20. UNSPSC Code 43211800. UPC 683,786,070,476. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. I replace my humidifier filter every year or two. And what a difference it makes with the humidity in the winter, perfect and comfortable. So easy to install. Arrived intact and did the job well. Easy to install. It is important to change the filter yearly. I followed the instructions I found online and it was easy to replace the old filter. Fits perfectly. We have had a whole house humidifier for years and never bothered to replace the pad. I was happy to see that the OEM filter was available through Amazon for this 15-year-old unit. It fit perfectly with no issues at all for our 1099 GeneralAire humidifier. Easy installation.